Hey everyone, it's Ethnic Mama here, and I'm having some trouble with my car battery. I just purchased a new battery, but it's still giving me problems, and so what I need is a portable jump starter. So I have the NOCO GB40 NOCO Genius Boost, and it comes partially charged. That's what this little paper here says. It wants you to fully charge it before you use it. You don't want to damage it, right? So we're going to make sure we fully charge it. It comes with the positive and negative cables, and they have this little port here, and you connect it to that. It's not heavy at all. It's like not heavy. And then on this side, you can put the USB out or in, and it comes with the USB cable. I don't like that it does not come with the actual wall part. So luckily I have the part that connects to the wall, but just know that you're going to need the part that connects to the wall to charge. And here is this little thingy right here for your car. I guess you can charge it once your car is able to turn on. My car won't turn on right now because the battery is completely dead, and you can charge it in your car with that, or somebody else's car. But here is the user guide. I'm gonna make sure I read this, and here it tells you how to get started, how to connect the battery, everything like that. I'm gonna make sure I look through this. It also comes with a lifetime warranty on this paper here, and it has a 1-year hassle-free limited warranty, free lifetime user support. That's what it is. I stand corrected. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I read through this, and I can't jump start my car now because it's raining outside, but I'm gonna make sure that I fully charge it, read through this, and then I'm gonna take y'all with me to jump start it to let y'all know if it's worth the money or not. Okay, so yeah, I recommend that if you do buy it, read the user guide, but you know, I'm gonna do my due diligence right now, so I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so this is a demonstration. We're not going to need these two slots here. We're going to need to connect the positive and the negative cables into the pack here. And then once we connect the black one and then the red one to the terminals here. This is an old battery I'm using. I don't know if it's going to start yet, so we'll see. Actually, I'm going to go to the car right now and try to start it just so I can show you that it's not starting. And this is a new battery I have bought from Walmart, which is giving me problems. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take it back. Okay, so here it's not starting. I don't want to do it too many times. I hope my alarm doesn't go off. It gets really loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and before I turn the battery pack on, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this onto it. Try to get a good grip. I'm trying to do it before it starts like really raining down. So there's a good grip right there. Now I'm going to plug in the red one. And there's instructions on how to do this. All right, so now I'm going to the battery pack and I'm going to push the power button. And when it does this, that's good. And it actually, this is not supposed to come on. You're supposed to push this button, and then it's supposed to turn on the white right there, and then that's how you know that the battery's charging. But the battery's charging. I haven't jumped this battery before. I normally jump the Walmart one I have in there for whatever reason. That one, I keep having to jump it, so I'm taking it back. But I've never experienced it doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power off really quick. Turn the power back on. And that's automatically on. So I don't know what that's indicating, but y'all will see right now. And this light is also white. I don't know if it's charging or if if something's on the wrong way. This is a really old battery, but this new battery that I have here does not work at all. I'm always jumping it. So let me see. So you hear that, and then the alarm is blinking. So I assume that the battery's charging. I powered it on. The radio is now coming on. So that means it's charging. I'm having some electrical issues because I have gas in there. But everything's popping up. It sounds like the battery is charging. I do have gas in the car, by the way, but I'm having some electrical issues. Okay, so it's not starting. I'm gonna try once again, because it probably has to sit and charge, you know, it's an old battery. Okay, so it started up. This battery, it says 2016 on it. So that is why I bought this battery here. So I'm taking this battery back to Walmart, but this jump starter, it started an old battery. I highly recommend this jump starter. I'm gonna go ahead and let the car run for a while. I'm actually gonna let it run until we actually leave and go to the store. I'm gonna get the girls and myself ready before it starts raining, and then take it off and turn it off first, and then take it off in the reverse order. This is a Duralast battery, and I'm actually going to just go ahead and buy a battery from another store. I'm not gonna really mess with Walmart's batteries. I haven't had any good success, but I'm gonna leave the car running because it has to charge. But there you go. There's a me, you know, jump starting the car, and it's running. Everything's functioning. I'm gonna unlock it. And then we're gonna head out so that I can go take the battery back.